I am Omar Amir E. Abdullah Almoini. My section is B199. Instructor Heidegger Jack Diacono. This is my presentation. The impact of academic pressure on mental health among Mapua College of Mindanao students. This study investigate the effect of academic pressure on the mental health of Mapua College Mindanao student using a quantitative description design. Survey data from 250 students revealed that high workload and performance expectation contribute to anxiety and stress. Results indicate that 70% of respondents experience on very high pressure with more than half symptoms of anxiety. The finding need for campus-based of mental awareness and academic work management. Academic pressure is a common issue among university students balancing coursework, deadline, and family expectation can negatively affect emotional well-being. This study aims to determine how different level of academic pressure influence mental health among Mapua College Mindanao students. The research used a quantitative descriptive design. Participant 50 students from Civil Engineering, Architecture, and Information Technology program. Selected through purpose sampling, data gathering procedure, a Google form, survey measure academic pressure and mental health status using a 5 points Likert scale. Data analysis result were summa through percentage and mean identi- identify a relationship between and mental health condition. Level of academic pressure, number of student percentage. Very high, 15 and 30%. High, 20 and 40%. Moderate, 10 and 20%. Low, 5 and 10%. More respondents, 70% reported high to very high pressure and 86% experienced anxiety or depression. The finding implied that heavy workload and limited rest strongly affect student mental well-being. Reported mental number of percentage health condition student. Ex- Experience of anxiety 28 to 56%, experience of depression 50 to 30%, normal maintain mental state 7 to 14%. Academic pressure significantly affect the mental health of Mapua College Mindanao student. The school should promote stress management program flexible Sched- s- scheduling and counseling service students are encouraged to maintain a healthy study life balance and seek support when overwhelmed. This the reference of my title. Thank you.